So today we are going to be making Fanta slime. And I also have a guest. Her name is Lyla. Hello. I wanted to make Fanta slime because Fanta is my favorite kind of soda. First, you need to pour in your glue. You mix it all around. Next, you put in your Fanta. You have to mix it all around until all of the glue is on orange. Keep on going, Lyla. Oh my gosh. Ew. It feels so gross. Never felt this in my life. Next we are going to be adding our other color. I have yellow, I have purple. We've already mixed in both of the colors and now it's time to add in our activator. Yeah! It's time to mix now. Expect this to work at all. I thought that this was going to be a fail, but this is actually not a fail. Yeah, mine's really working. Look. Whoa. It's pretty. I'm going to mix it. Whoa. Whoa. The end of the Math Arkansas show. Bye. Oh, and I forgot to say, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. Yeah!